Hey guys, hope everyone's well. So the guys at Night Freestyle have asked me to explain to you guys how I do one of my most favorite tricks. So I've decided today to explain to you guys the Cliffhanger Frontflip. And this trick won me first place at Nitro World Games 2019, one of these trophies behind me. So it's a pretty cool trick to me. I think I'm the only person in the world, I know I'm the only person in the world who's done this trick. So basically with the mechanical front flip ramp, it sends you into a front flip. And once you're rotating forwards, it's pretty similar to doing a cliffhanger the right way up without a rotation. The only difference being I lock my hook. Like if you watch the video, I throw my feet up and hook them back in behind the radiator shrouds, and that makes it so that I can't separate from the bike. Once I have that hook, I can kind of extend my body completely and not worry about losing the bike at all. I'm just basically feeling the rotation. I'm not really at that point seeing anything. It's pretty blind, but I'm just feeling it all out. And then once I reach back down and grab the handlebars, then I reverse the hook. So I pull my feet out and over the shrouds, and then feet touch the foot pegs. And about that time, the wheels are touching the ground. And on that particular one, it was a little bit over rotated, but essentially perfect. It got me the win. So I was happy about that. So yeah, if you're going to go try that trick, make sure you be careful. And yeah, hope everyone's well. I'm sending positive vibes to you guys wherever you are in the world. And I can't wait to get back over to Europe and do some more Night of Freestyle events and see you guys soon. So until then, positive vibes, and see you guys soon.